He's very calm because he really doesn't like fat people.
One on the front, one on the back.
What are we getting? Food.
That's 4 pounds.
Okay.
That's like $20 right there. Thank you. All right. You too, man. If you get this stuff, I get 10% off this stuff. Do I even have any lemon pepper chicken seasoning? That's you.
Not cool, dude. Just led me in a circle.
Yeah, I did. I'm sorry. Maybe you can go that way.
Okay. Alright.
Keep videoing me. Only me.
Alright, sorry. Yes, sir. Parsley should be over there and stuff.
No, it shouldn't. It's over this way.
Alright, I was wrong.
I was also wrong.
There's a bunch of goobers here. Good parsley?
Fresh Italian parsley.
Rice-A-Roni and hamburger helper here.
Yeah, that's true. If you want to grab a bag of rice or something.
What are we thinking? Fettuccine Alfredo?
What would go best? Yeah, fettuccine chicken flavored sauce. Combined with water, milk, butter, or margarine pasta. Bringing to a boil, stirring occasionally. Reduce heat to medium, boil, and cover to 5 to 6 minutes, or until pasta is just tender. Sauce will be thin. Let stand 3 to 5 minutes to thicken. 2 cups prepared. Enjoy. Oh, ew! I never want to try this.
This is exclusive content that we have to be making.
Yeah, make a Patreon account and be like, if you want to see this, you have to
Yeah, the uncut, uncensored, and lower prices. Chicken broth? Oh, chicken broth should be juices, candy. I don't know, there's somewhere. Oh yeah.
Hey Robert, do you know where the chicken broth would be? Aisle 12. Aisle 12? To aisle 12 we go. Stop. Chicken broth.
You Campbell's chicken broth? Or like not from the...
Just any chicken broth.
Okay.
Because it didn't say anything specific, and chicken broth's chicken broth.
Yeah?
Yeah. Where do you normally get us? So, watch this.
Enter phone number. Please, your card has been accepted.
I gotta blur that number.
Whoa. Follow the instructions on the keypad.
$54. How?
Oh.
Okay, take it.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, there's my backpack.
Oh, alright. I hate that girl.
Oh, in Finance America? Oh no. Where to now?
We're going to Bubba's Pissin' Hot Kitchen. So, welcome to Bubba's Pissin' Hot Cooking. Today we're going to be making some lemon pepper chicken. Cut your chicken in half, all good like that. Have that thing looking like a filet. Ooh. See, look at that, little pink. We love the pink, not the stink.
I would be so pissed if it touched the lens, dude.
This right here is paper. You don't want that. You don't want paper.
Is that paper? Or that's like sinew or skin? Oh, you're right. You are correct.
I'm spitting.
You are indeed spitting.
You're gonna get copyright for that.
Oh, your knife should cut through this stuff easy like butter.
Dude, spread that open. Oh.
Is that Chris Rock? That's not Chris Rock. That guy sounds like Chris Rock.
That's the guy from SNL now.
The black one?
Yeah.
Oh wow, he had a glow up. See, fat people can be famous. Just look at Fluffy.
Yeah, he's like an honorary one. He's more Mexican than he is fat.
Well, that's a fatty. Airsoft fatty if he were chicken. What happened to you, buddy? You didn't cut very well, huh? Don't worry, we'll save you.
So what are you making?
Making a lemon pepper chicken batter right now.
Well, that smells good.
It's lemon and pepper. Just make sure I get enough of that seasoning in there just so that it has flavor. Make sure you don't hurt the chicken. The chicken's very delicate. Next up on our list to do. Grab your batter like we made earlier.
What do we make? Oh, there. Yeah, right there.
A little lemon pepper batter. And you just get her coated. You know, she's cold. Give her a nice little coat. Oh, nice.
Is that enough flour? What are you thinking?
See that metal one? Like the bright gray one underneath the bun?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, brother. You shit battered. Got enough cake to kill a fucking mule.
It's a big mountain of
Maybe
meat.
we'll use the other one for the clean.
Yeah.
You know, after it's
That's true. True as age.
True as age.
All right, I'll set this to you then.
Kids, what do we say when people try to give us drugs? Did you just try the batter?
No.
So next, you're gonna turn your little fucking igniter on. You're gonna turn it to medium. Straight medium, right? Yeah, just over medium. So, what you're gonna do is you're gonna make that light. It's lit. So now you see that? Look at that fire, flambata. Next, personally, avocado oil. And you're gonna do a little drizzle of that. We got a lot of...
We have butter, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We have butter, milk.
We should have... Edward, you have butter, right? Yeah, of course.
Okay.
A quarter of a stick of butter.
Is that it? Is that all we have?
Is the last stick of butter all you have? That's what's there, yeah. This is fine.
All right. I've been tasked with getting a single stick of butter from my house. This is a bad idea. This is failing. Butter. I got the butter.
Oh, did you go and get butter? Yeah, he went to his house.
I did not buy a single stick of butter.
Yeah, just take it. It's not too hot.
Not good.
Yeah, it's chicken, but once I get the minced garlic, butter, and lemon juice in there, flavor will change.
The rice-a-roni, everything's coming together.
The parsley.
Oh yeah, we have that.
So good and tasty.
Scared me.
He just gave me a look like I just murdered someone.
I'm about to cry. Bubba's.
It really was. It was a look of you were about to cry.
Man, that's some.
Excuse me, I didn't know it meant that much to you.
Doesn't look that pretty, but it's pretty good.
Bubba's Pissin' Hot Chicken. And
Success!
success, very nice.